Salut YouTube, comment ça va? On se retrouve, début de la saison 2, The Walking Dead. On a fini la saison 1, on est arrivé dans un motel, il y a Doug, il est mort. On a sauvé le... À chaque fois j'oublie son prénom. On a sauvé la journaliste là, plutôt que Doug. Parce que bon, bam bam, elle maîtrise les armes à feu quoi. Saison 2. Du coup c'est parti, saison 2, on va voir comment ça se passe. Là, j'ai l'impression que les choses vont quand même commencer à se corser un petit peu. Jouer. Ah, incroyable. Kenny. La saison 2 de The Walking Dead, hein, je sais pas. Oui, ok. Ouais, jouer sans sauvegarder, ça doit être ça. Ok, bon bah même pas besoin de faire de résumé au final. Clémentine, ma god. Ce connard, lui, on le déteste. On a failli mourir à cause de lui.
Lee, are those bad people dead?
I hope you know what you're doing with her.
I got it!
Mais c'est pas
Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people.
c'est pas précédemment ça.
Okay, you can come, but you have to promise to stay quiet. Clementine? Clementine!
Oh non. T'as des spoils de ouf, wesh.
Oh.
I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
Mais ça nous spoil de ouf. Comment on fait pour pas voir?
Lee, I saw my parents.
No. You have to shoot me, honey.
Lee, no.
Mais c'est pas précédemment du tout. Mais c'est pas précédemment du tout. Mais j'ai pas le choix. Mais pourquoi? Mais j'ai mis saison 2. Saison 2. Mais je suis à la saison 2, non? Merde.
Putain, j'y crois pas. Eh, carrément, j'ai mis pause à ma partie de Fortnite.
Mais gros, j'ai fini la saison 1.
Ah, attends, explique-moi un truc. Quand tu joues à un jeu, non, même mieux. Quand tu regardes une série, dans une saison, il y a combien d'épisodes en général? Un seul? Ou il y en a plusieurs? Gros, t'as skip à la saison 2 sans faire l'épisode 2, 3, 4, 5, t'as juste tout skip, genre.
Je suis au fond
T'as
du
littéralement
trou.
le jeu entier, frère. Dinguerie. Et la fin, en plus, t'as regardé, mais genre, tu t'es pas arrêté, quoi. T'as juste laissé le truc jusqu'à la fin, la mort de Lee, frère. T'as tout regardé. Le kidnapping de la petite et tout. Non, frère, c'est dingue. Et tu t'es pas arrêté, quoi. C'est ça la plus grosse dinguerie.
Mais je comprenais pas au début. C'est pour ça, enfin, je voyais des trucs et tout, je me disais, mais c'est quoi ça?
Ah ouais, force à toi. Eh, le replay sur YouTube va être excellent là.
Oh, bah oui, épisode 2.
T'as
Mais
tellement
oui,
pas
épisode
resté
2,
saison
épisode
2, il a
3.
mis, gros. Eh, YouTube,
baisez-moi, mais...
Vous voyez le mec là, il fait que fumer la weed là. Vous voyez ce que ça fait au cerveau? Aïe. Eh, c'est une singerie. Tu t'es spoil le pire truc quoi en plus. C'est vraiment genre. Genre là, pendant tout le reste du jeu, le perso que tu joues, tu sais qu'il va mourir genre. Et tu sais comment il va mourir en plus. C'est une dinguerie. Oh là 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 là, c'est une dinguerie. Oh, c'est une dinguerie.
Vas-y, de toute façon... Ouais, vas-y,
C'est le pire streamer du monde,
J'ai
frère.
coupé le
Vas-y,
stream,
lui.
je vais aller dormir, je vais hiberner, je vais me foutre en l'air, frère, je vais prendre plein de pilules sur GTA. Je vais me tuer. Ça y est, frère, oui, mais c'est ça le beau récap, c'est ça le beau récap.
You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come
Mais ça
home
commençait
now.
pareil.
You keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout. It's Doug.
Eh, je suis
Got it.
mort. Oh là
And I'm
là.
Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it.
You got it, boss.
J'arrive pas à y croire, j'arrive pas à croire ce que je viens de voir.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten. With or without you, I'm protecting my kid.
Bon, bah.
for life.
Bah oui, mais tu Ah, j'ai envie de le baiser. On peut pas me passer la mémoire.
I don't give a shit about what
On
happens
peut
to
pas
you.
faire un
But if
truc.
anything happens to
Maintenant,
my
qu'est-ce qui
daughter
tourne
or
par
that
rond
little
chez toi,
girl you've
gros?
got
Mais
with
je
Tu
sais
you,
regardes
pas.
un truc saison 1, tu skips direct saison 2, genre.
Et je pensais que c'était saison 1, genre épisode 1, on s'est trompé.
Oui. Même Dispatch, hein, c'était pas plusieurs saisons, c'était plusieurs épisodes. Oh là là.
Bah ouais, vas-y.
Pour ça, toi, chef, hein, vraiment.
Mais qu'est-ce qui... Bon, allez, c'est bon, on se concentre. 3 mois plus tard. Triche. Ouais, ça me fout la haine, là. Je suis trop énervé.
Damn it. What'd they get this time?
Mais là, tu peux être énervé contre toi-même. Hein.
Well, that's another.
Et c'est avec ça que tu vas devenir riche et célèbre.
Là, je sais pas, gros, je ferais peut-être mieux de changer, hein.
Ouais, je pense aussi, il change de vocation, le sang. Streamer, c'est pas fait pour toi.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me.
Et t'aurais pas pu me dire plus tôt.
Rabbit's hardly a meal.
Je sais pas, je pensais avec ton cerveau humain normal, tu te serais rendu compte que ce que tu vois, c'est peut-être trop ouf, genre, par rapport à ce que tu fais. T'as même pas mis pause. T'as même pas mis pause, t'as mis pause à la fin, genre.
I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
All on edge. Just cut us some slack.
J'apprends de mes erreurs.
Yeah, you're right.
Le chef, il a regardé tout le bail, il a même pas mis pause. Genre, son cerveau, il a bugué, mais il a continué à regarder, genre.
We'll
Vas-y,
manage.
lui.
Maybe. You know, some people aren't too happy about the way
Bon, j'ai
Will's
jamais
handling
vu ça.
rations.
Parce que t'as vu, je me disais c'était un truc un peu en mode The Last of Us à Clémentine. Puis de toute façon j'ai déjà vu. Ah, j'ai déjà tout vu. Mais après j'ai oublié. Mais de toute façon je savais que c'était un truc en mode héritage.
Tellement à te rassurer, gros.
Non. Oui, oui.
Je cherche tellement à te rassurer, c'est dingue.
Mais je savais que c'était un truc en mode héritage. Et qu'après on allait jouer Clémentine.
Mais oui, mais ça c'est évident, mais t'as capté quoi, vas-y quoi. Tu t'es spoil la mort de Lee, comment ça arrive et tout, c'est super triste genre. Aïe,
Ouais, moi c'est surtout ça qui me fait
Can't
chier.
blame him,
t'as
though.
tout raté.
Did you hear Larry going
Enfin, du
off
coup,
on
non,
him
t'as
last
tout
night?
vu.
Oui.
What's the old guy's deal anyway? Seems like he's got a
Il est
problem
mort.
with you.
Putain, mais vas-y. Là je vais faire plein de mauvais choix, tu vas voir à cause de ça.
De toute façon, ça change rien.
C'est un vieux connard de
Old
raciste.
racist
Tiens.
asshole. That's his deal.
Well, he needs to get over that and start finding a way to pull his weight.
Ah, tu m'as tué,
Our
gros.
problems are not. We should
Bon,
all
refais
be
ma
out here
soirée, là,
trying
c'est
to
bon.
find food. And I know Lily thinks
Fais des
I'm
TikTok.
Je vais te laisser streamer, gros, enjaille-toi.
Ta gueule.
I know I wouldn't be stuck in a room.
Le Discord
Bon
juste pour
courage
se
pour la
moquer de
suite,
moi et que
gros.
j'entende tes rires, frère.
Flat.
Fais gaffe à pas passer à la saison 3 hein, prochaine fois, gros.
Non, c'est bon, maintenant je sais.
Délai. Vas-y, à
Casse
plus.
les couilles, vas-y, gros. Putain. Il y a que à moi que ça peut arriver.
Don't. Gunshot'll bring walkers.
Frère, j'en ai marre. Mon...
Yeah, I know.
Eh, vas-y.
I'm just really freaking hungry.
Carrément, je suis même plus concentré. Je suis même plus concentré sur ce qui se passe.
I don't know. Come on.
Si Kenny il a besoin d'aide, on va l'aider. C'est grâce à lui qu'on est toujours en vie. Gros, vite. Ah! Merde!
Jesus Christ. Oh shit! No, no! Please don't kill us! We just want to help our teacher. We'll leave, I swear! Lee! You guys okay? Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis!
Le mec dort. J'accepte, je prends avec plaisir.
We barely got away from that.
Putain!
What guys? Why the fuck is there a bear trap out here? I don't know, man!
It's okay. We're not gonna hurt
Calm
you.
down!
Don't listen to them, Ben. Please, just let us go. We're not a threat to you. Kid,
Mais vas-y, au pire, on s'en va.
Try to help you, but you gotta shut the fuck up. Lee, this is fucked up. We've gotta help him. Please. Ben, shut up. My dad was special forces. I know what I'm doing. Just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
This isn't our problem. We should go.
No, no, please. At least just look at the trap. Just look at it and maybe
C'est
you
pas
can
notre
tell us
problème
how
de
to get it
ouf.
off. Please help me. Hurry, please, hurry.
Lee, this trap's been altered. There's no release latch.
Bah c'est pas notre problème, comme je le dis et je le répète encore. On doit bouger.
It's now or never, Lee. Please, get me out of this.
Mark, get the boys back. Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
Mais
Oh God, he can't die. Please, get me out of this.
ça va pas marcher ça.
This can't be. Try to cut the chain. Hurry! Is he gonna make it?
Eh, on va. Désolé chef hein.
Let's go! Let's go!
I'm gonna have to cut you out.
No, no, no! Try the trap again. Anything, please.
Le gros. Ah la hache hein. Sans peine. Ah. Pardon. Pardon chef. Pardon. Et qu'est-ce qui m'a pris de jouer à ce jeu?
Oh God! Shit.
Is he?
He passed out.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
Je ne peux pas me remettre de tous les événements qui viennent de m'arriver, la pitié!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move.
L'effort spécial, non? Allez, trou du cul, ça y est. Force à toi. Ça y est. Putain, il s'est fait manger la tête en premier en plus, horrible. Pitié, laissez-moi prendre un peu de repos. Quel enfer! Déjà, le... Je préfère même pas en reparler, tu sais quoi? Spoil de merde, jeu de merde. Raciste de merde. Allez Clémentine. Moi tu me parles pas d'âge. Putain, ils ont fait un vrai camp, hein. Clémentine, ta gueule.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Je te jure.
Come on, come
Oh my
on!
god. What happened?
What the hell?
What's going
We don't
on?
have time to explain.
Lee, are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat,
okay?
can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
I don't know.
Lee! What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What
Je
are you
jure.
thinking?
Hey, you want to calm down for a fucking
Hey,
minute?
watch your
No,
mouth.
I don't. I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
I thought we could save his life. I'm the one that took his leg. That makes me responsible.
Well, that was a stupid thing to do.
We are not responsible for every struggling
Mais
survivor we
moi,
come
je veux pas.
across.
Zerma, on
We
les
have
garde
to
ou quoi,
focus
hein.
on
Je
our
veux. Vas-y,
crew,
on le
right
répare
here,
un petit
right
peu,
now.
cautérisation, et après, bonne chance.
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
En
Come on,
plus.
Lily. These are people. People trying to survive just like us. We've got to stick together to survive.
Mais
The only reason you're here is because you
après,
have
force, t'as vu,
enough for
on t'a
all of us.
libéré,
But that food is
on
almost
t'a
gone.
soigné,
We've got maybe
on
a
dépend
week's
pas de
worth
toi,
left.
je suis ton daron.
And I don't suppose
Force.
you guys are carrying any
Chacun sa
more,
merde.
are you?
Et si tu veux pas, coup de hache dans la gueule.
Fine, you guys
C'est
fight
bon.
out then.
En plus, on a des pistolets maintenant.
Family kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Hey, yo.
Oh, come on. You're being dramatic. Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not gonna be a part of that.
Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to go around, but now that it's running out, suddenly I'm a goddamn Nazi.
Ouais, franchement.
You've got nothing to say about that, Lee? You know, it might feel safe for you to
mais
sit
genre-
on the fence, but sooner or later you're gonna have to decide whose side you're on.
I don't see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Et
Dad,
toi?
please. Why don't you go help Mark with the wall?
Parce que Kenny, je l'aime bien, c'est un bon, il nous a sauvé la vie en vrai. Et elle, vas-y, son daron, c'est un gros raciste, il veut nous tuer. Mais
Everyone's
bon.
starting to hate me because I'm the one that rations the food, but nobody else wants to. You know what? I'm not doing it tonight. You do it. There's today's food rations, but there's not enough for everyone. Good luck.
C'est moi, je fais. J'allais dire par plus prétention, bah vas-y, donne, je le fais. Mais là, j'ai plus envie d'un coup. Non, déjà, Clem, elle aura sa part. Clem, toi, t'auras double ration carrément si tu veux. Et toi, force à toi. Hein. Franchement, personne te connaît. Ton daron, il se répare et tu t'en vas. Hein. Oui, bah. Donner à Kaja, ça doit être ça.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know. Can you give me a hand real quick?
Ok.
Sure. What do you need?
Just apply some pressure here while I try to close this up. You know, I thought I was starting to get used to this, sewing up people's injuries. But I mean, cuts and bruises are one thing, but Lee, this man has no leg.
It's what your husband wanted.
Figures. I love that man to death, but I swear sometimes he's dumber than a bag of hammers. Well, you've
Pas
done
ma
all you
faute, hein.
can, Lee. Thanks for the help. Go ahead and check in on the others. I need a little space here anyway.
T'inquiète. Salut les enfants.
How you doing, Clementine?
Salut Clémentine.
Where's your hat?
I don't
Clémentine.
know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I
Il y a quelques
promise.
jours.
If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Quoi, chef?
Hey, is my friend gonna make it?
I don't know, but Kaja will do her best. I promise.
I can't believe you chopped off his leg.
There was no other way.
Mais moi, je voulais juste le laisser là de base, donc... Oh, bah ça doit être ça. Ils sont marrants, eux.
So who are you people? Our group's gonna want to know.
I'm Ben. Ben Paul. The man you saved is Mr. Parker, the band director at my school. We all came down from Stone Mountain for the playoffs when everything happened.
Relax.
Ok,
We'll
force.
get your friend back to normal in no time.
I sure hope so.
Le raciste là-bas, vas-y, on va pas lui parler. Carlet.
Sleeping any better?
No. I know we should be grateful for beds, but no, I'm not.
Drugstore?
Yeah.
Lily has me handing out the food.
Ugh. That can't be an easy job.
It's not. I won't be able to feed everyone. What should I do?
Well, if you wanted to get in good with Lily, I'd make sure Larry gets some food, even though that guy can be a real dick sometimes.
Force à lui.
On the other hand, giving that food to Kenny and his family might make him remember you, if he decides to take off in that RV one day.
What about you? You need food too.
We all need food. I can't tell you what to do, but whatever happens, I know you'll be trying to do the right thing.
Thanks, Carly.
Vas-y,
Want
Carly,
something
c'est
to
le
eat?
sang. Une moitié de pomme, la honte.
God, I used to eat an apple every morning with some granola and 6 almonds, and that wasn't enough even then. But you know what? Yes.
Chef. Ça va,
Here,
Clémentine?
Clem. You need something to eat.
Un morceau de bœuf.
Okay. A Sunday would be better next time.
I'll keep that in mind.
If you have any
Et
more
vas-y, je
food,
pense en vrai, on
Duck is hungry
va...
too.
Ça me fait chier parce que...
We're gonna get some food.
Eh, toi, reste là-bas, Duck. Parce que la meuf, elle a l'air forte, mais son daron, c'est trop un vicelard. Je sens il va trop me tuer encore. Il me déteste.
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
That ain't no secret, Lee. It's probably our best bet.
Got room for me and Clem in there?
Listen, I gotta look out for my family. I gotta know that whoever I take with me is gonna be looking out for Cat and Duck.
Wait, I know that...
Lee, you left Duck in danger twice. Well, the RV ain't even working yet, so there's no point in talking about it right now.
We need you here. We have a better chance of surviving as a group.
Our best chance of surviving is to get away from the mainland. My mind is made up.
Bon, bah, ok. Je sais pas si on devient poteau avec lui.
Want something to eat? Here, Kenny. Take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
No.
Come talk to me once my boy's taken care of.
Ah, mon gars. Bon, bah.
Hey, Doc.
Ça me fait chier de nourrir Duck. Regarde sa tête de trou du cul, là. On va lui mettre une baffe.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm so hungry.
I need to keep my strength up, too.
Not such an easy job, is it?
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Lee,
Kenny, I know I ran out of food before.
hey, it was a tough choice, but you took care of the kids. That's what a real man does. You might earn yourself a place on the RV after all. Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices.
You're out! What happened to my food?
Ça va, chef?
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered.
You're one
Il
to
veut
talk,
quoi,
old
lui?
man.
Yeah? Well, I don't see you working on that wall.
Et va faire tes crises cardiaques plus loin.
We should talk about you and Kenny.
What about us?
The arguing. It's getting pretty out of hand. You know people notice that.
Look, I'm working my ass off to make sure we have a good setup here, and Kenny just doesn't appreciate that. All we need is food.
C'est pas ça que je voulais dire.
But there is no food. You know that better than anyone.
Well, we'll just have to find some.
Lily,
I see how it is, Lee. Talk to you later, okay?
Aïe. Elle est fâchée. M'en fous, Carly, elle a une bonne aim. C'est plus important. Moi, j'ai pas envie d'aller parler aux racistes, là.
I didn't have enough for everybody. I thought you could handle yourself.
Whatever.
Ah ouais.
Lily has a point about these new people being extra mouths to feed.
I know, but maybe the problem isn't that there isn't any food. There just isn't any here. We gotta think about moving on.
Thanks for buying me time to get that guy out of the bear trap back there.
I can't believe you cut off his leg. I don't know if I could have done it.
I didn't have a choice. It was that or the walkers. Let's hope things turn for the better.
En vrai, je pense lui, j'aurais grave
Now
dû le
there's a
laisser.
statement I can get behind.
Bon, vas-y, on va aller voir les racistes.
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this week already.
What do you want? A handout? I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up and quit being such a pansy.
Mais pour... Oh. Eh, vas-y. Vas-y, on va lui parler, on va lui casser la gueule.
I'm sorry, Larry, there's nothing left.
Go piss up a flagpole, Lee.
You've got to talk to Lily about getting along with Kenny.
Lily can make her own friends.
It's not about making friends. We're all in this together. We gotta start acting like it.
Stuff all that. We'd be fine without you.
Eh, vas-y, moi je vais partir,
Lily
ils vont
thinks we should
choquer.
throw these new people out.
Damn right. There's too many people hanging around here as it is.
Need any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
C'est qui? C'est qui Larry?
Here, Mark, this should help.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Come on, Larry. Give it a rest, man. Things are different. Being a racist is outdated.
Ah, dis bien.
And that's what you think this is?
C'est quoi
Is
ces
that what you
grimaces?
told him?
There, that's right.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Look, I don't care what it is, but you two have got to start trying to get along.
C'est un
The only
raciste,
thing
frère.
I
Comment tu veux que
have
je
to
m'entende
do
avec
is
lui?
Protect my daughter. And right now that means getting this damn wall fixed. So I would appreciate it if you two would shut up and let me get back to work.
Mets-lui un bon coup de hache dans la nuque.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
Let him go, Katja.
But
He just needs time. It's been a rough morning.
that man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
Katja!
J'en étais sûr. Putain. Comment je fais? Je tape, j'appuie. J'ai juré, c'est pas ma faute. Quand j'appuie sur reculer, ça marche pas. Parce que regarde, je suis déjà en train d'appuyer sur reculer là. Je suis déjà en train d'appuyer sur reculer, mais il recule pas. Oh. Gros, je te jure, en fait, t'as vu?
You okay?
Pause. C'est que je suis tellement une flippette, c'est que je suis déjà en train d'appuyer sur reculer. Du coup, comme ça, quand ça me dit d'appuyer et que je suis déjà en train d'appuyer, bah ça marche pas. Et du coup, je fais merde. Il faut que j'enlève. Bah, nique ta mère. C'est bon. C'est ton jeu tout bugué aussi là. Putain.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed! Why didn't you tell us he was bitten?
What?
He was bitten, and you didn't say a goddamn word!
But he wasn't bitten, I swear!
Well, your not-bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife!
What? Wait, you all don't know?
What the hell are you talking about?
It's not the bite that does it. You come back no matter how you die.
Comment je
You
pouvais
don't destroy the
savoir?
brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
We're all infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know.
Je
all
pensais
I know
juste
is
au
that
pire
I've
ce
seen
sera un
people turn
cadavre.
who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room
Aussi,
the next
frère.
morning and... God.
Back off!
Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
Are you armed?
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
Je pense
How
aussi.
y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Je crois qu'on peut vraiment commencer à parler là.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out, see if it's legit?
I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
Ok, merci Carl.
So, what do y'all
Carly.
think?
You've got a deal.
On y va, hein.
We'll bring some gas to your dairy. In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.